you crossed here before?
Oh yes, ma'am. I always cross there because this is our route every time.
So when's the last time that you were through here?
Probably around 2 months ago, I guess.
Okay. So where have you been crossing otherwise?
I cross in Ambassador Bridge,
Okay.
and I cross in Emerson.
Okay.
Yeah, so when I was in British Columbia, I cross in Blaine, Washington. Yeah, those are the border that I always, but once in a while, I cross in a different border.
So is your trailer, is it completely full?
Oh yes,
All
there's
the way
a
up to the top?
yeah. There's a seal on it, bolt seal.
There's a seal,
Yeah.
but is it completely full?
No, it's not that too full. There's at least I think one pallet at the back. At least one pallet.
And is it all the way to the top?
Not that all the way to the top because it's gonna be too heavy. It's just above me, I guess, because it's too high. So
Okay.
from
It's not open.
no. Sometimes if we are in yes, we have always, if meat, we always have a meat inspection in. Alright guys, yan. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Babalik ang lakay. At nandito pa rin tayo sa Tinwick Walmart. Hindi na ako malis dito kagabi. Hindi naman ako mamadali. Tsaka isa pa 600 miles na lang naman ang tatakbohin ko. So magdadrive ako maghapon ngayon. Baka nandun na nga ako sa Calgary ngayon eh. Bukas pa ng gabi ang delivery ko. Yes. Ayun, 9 guys ha. Wala, iniisip kong bumili ng tubig ko. Wala, marami pa to eh. Ayokong itapot. Ayoko naman bumili ng bagong ganito kasi ang mahal guys. Ang isa nito 17, gagayan lang. Plus may laman, $22 ang isa. At USD pa. Dito pa tayo sa US. Pero ang problema ko is kape. Wala tayong kape. Kaya kape ang bibilhin ko. Sino ba dyan sa inyo guys ang hindi mabubuhay ng walang kape? You know what I mean, di ba? Pag wala tayong kape, hindi naman tayo nag-i-smoke. Kung wala tayong kape, para tayong nga. Anyway, tara. Bili muna ako ng kape bago tayo dulo yung dire-diretso. Let's go. Alright. So, bagong lahat, tignan ko muna yung temperature ko. Ilagay ko sa continuous. 30 ang set point, 34 ang box. Ikutan ko muna sa likod. Dito ako madalas mag-park eh. Magka yung galing ako ng Oregon. Dito ko lang sa gilid. Okay. Yan. Ayos. Wala naman nakalagay na bawal mag-park dito. Tsaka isa pa, siyempre hindi rin naman tayo magtatagal. Makikitulog lang tayo rito sa Walmart. Tara, bili muna tayo kape guys. Kasi hindi ako mabubuhay ng walang kape. Parang ano lang eh no. Siyempre wala tayong ano sa pampagising pa. Kape lang talaga. Hinintuan ko naman na ang sigarilyo. Hindi na rin yung mga naninigarilyo. Kaya kape na lang tayo, kape. Let's go. Talagang sinadya kong gumising na bukas na sila. Umalis ng bukas na sila para sa ganun makabili tayo ng kape. Kape. Ito guys, ito instant coffee lang tayo. 577 USD. Ito maliit. Tapos bili ulit tayo. Yan. Panorvive lang ba? Tara. Alright guys, let's go. Kape $5.77 $5.77 guys, tara na. Alright guys, meron tayo sinusundan na oversized load. Check na natin dito. Malubog lahat ang pen. Ay may adjust natin ng maayos. Malinis naman to eh. Matakbo pa siya talaga ng ano no, ng 115 km/h. Ako naka 114 na ako eh. Ayaw ko mag-overspeed. 60 lang yata dito. Mga 60 miles lang yung ano rito eh. Okay. Mag-slow down siya. So, bago pumalis na kanina doon sa frying game, tapos na tayo. Oversized load. Temperature, ayos, pwede na ba? Pwede na ba siguro tayo sa oversized load guys? Magkano na ba tayo? Flat taker na ba tayo? Flat taker. Pilot niya. Bridgeville. Dito tayo rito sa Post Falls, Idaho guys, at kukunin ko yung aking Ace Manifest pagtawid ng border. Tatawid na tayo ng border ngayon. Alright guys, dito na tayo sa Spokane. Malapit na tayo doon sa Post Falls, Idaho. Dito tayo ron, kukunin ko yung aking Ace Manifest. Mag 30 minutes break din ako, tapos kunin natin.
More likely to remember seeing Pamela than anybody else. Right? So may say at least a little something. Now, the kids started to step down from the boardwalk to the angle across the street to the marshal's office. But his room's in the back. Quiet enough. Arturo continued on his way, and the kids stepped into the broad, dusty street. He was only partway across when he heard the sudden rapid cry of footsteps. Stopping, he saw a group of riders coming quickly towards him. The red glow from the setting sun in the sky behind him cast him in stark pictures. Silhouettes. And it didn't seem inclined to slow down or go around him. With his mouth touching an angle, he did so.
Idaho.
In 1 3/4 miles, take exit 2 on the right to Pleasant View Road, then take the first left.
Okay. Ay, ito muna tayo dito sa pilot. Mag 30 minutes break muna. Hindi naman ako nagmamadali mga lodi. Bukas pa ito ng hapon. Baka nga mamayang gabi nandun na ako sa ano guys sa Calgary. Bahala na. Hindi na
Take
natin
exit 2
kailangan
on
madali.
the right
Tamang
to Pleasant
drive
View
lang.
Road, then take the first
Para
left.
smooth tracking lang. Okay, exit muna tayo rito. Punta muna tayo sa pilot. Kunin natin yung ano, papel. Parang gusto kong parang gusto kong
Turn left at the
mag-shower din.
traffic
Mag-shower na lang
light, then take the
muna
first
ako
right.
dito. Shower, tapos kunin natin yung papel.
Turn right at the traffic light.
Guys, sa mga napupunta rito sa Pospolo Side, ito yung Bikini Coffee. Kapag bibili ka ng kape dyan, Bikini Coffee. Yan guys. Yung mga tindera dyan, nakatibak dyan. Nakatibak. Nadadaanan ko pa nga eh. Nakatibak yun. Nakatibak. Kaso, hindi ako pumupunta. Gusto mo lang makakita ng nakapanti, nakatibak. Pero ang isang kape nila dyan, mahal yata. Siyempre kumbaga sa pamamaraan na rin nila yon para makabenta ng kape. Pero yung kape nila is not just coffee na yung mura. Mahal ang kape nila dyan. Kaya tindera nakatibak eh. Hindi natin pwedeng i-vlog yan. Gawa nga nung pag nakita yan ng misis ko, puta, magagalit yun eh. Baka mamaya mag-away pa kami. May mga anak kang nanonood ng vlog mo, iko-content mo yung mga nakatibak. Sasabihin na naman yun. Paktay tayo. Eh siyempre may asawa na tayo eh. Buti sana kung single tayo. Alright guys, dito muna tayo. Okay. Punta. since nandito na rin lang naman tayo guys, nakahinto tayo, I changed my mind. Mag-ano muna ako, 30 minutes workout muna ako, kahit yung back workout lang at saka konting bicep. Yung bang tipong ano lang, yung tipong masahe lang sa mga muscle natin para hindi mawala yung mga kahit paano bukol-bukol dyan. Yan. Kumbaga sa ano, hindi naman natin kailangan ano guys yung patayin yung sarili natin. Yung tamang ano na lang ito, yung tamang buwat-buwat na lang. At least kahit paano may 30 minutes workout. And then tsaka tayo pupunta ng shower. After shower, ayan, kunin ko na yung aking Ace Manifest at lalarga na tayo. Alright guys, tara, mag-shower muna tayo. Kuha ko ng tubig ko na may ice tapos kape. Tapos yung Ace Manifest. Dami kong coins dito eh. Puro penny. Ewan ko kung ano to, kasya. Morning.
Morning. Maybe.
Oh,
Sorry, one second.
it's all good.
Oh, miss, if you, I apologize. So there are actually buy two, get one free with those. Buy two, get one. So it's $6.34. So if you get three, it's $6.34.
They faxed me my Ace Manifest over there. It's 2 hours ago.
What's that?
Ace. Fox, your Fox Manifest?
Oh, Michelle, can I get your assistance real quick?
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna have her help you just
Sure.
because
With someone else? Okay.
well, that and I don't quite understand what you're asking.
The Fox with the Ace Manifest, your Fox machine.
Fax machine, okay.
Yeah. Oh, no,
What about the fax machine?
they faxed me my Ace Manifest there. Hopefully it's already in there. It's 2 hours ago.
Oh,
Oh, now you get it.
Michelle,
Yes.
can I get you to help him, please?
Yes.
I don't know, sometimes my accent is not good
I'm
enough.
sorry, hon. How can I help you?
Ace
Okay.
Manifest, they faxed me my dispatch.
Okay.
If that's enough, and if it's not, I have to pay here in my card here.
Is this right?
Nestor?
Yes.
Perfect, that's the one.
Awesome. So how much is this done?
I don't know how much.
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna.
Okay. So 30, 40, 45, 46, 48, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62. So this is 64 cents.
I'm just gonna pay the rest in my card,
You bet.
and then I got a
Thank you.
shower too.
No, the showers are down right now.
Oh,
Yeah, they're making new ones. So you said the rest on your point.
yes.
Right?
Okay.
Okay. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Okay. All right,
bet.
that's fine.
Oh, you need that? No.
There you go.
I'm not. I'm just gonna get refill with the coffee.
Okay. Okay. There's a barcode on the cup somewhere. Okay.
Okay.
Thank
All
you.
right. All right.
Cheaper that way.
Yeah, I'm just gonna come back with that thing.
Okay, sure thing.
Yeah. Ay, renovation pala, kaya pala.
I'm sorry.
It's all gold. Saan ba yung washroom nila rito? Okay. Renovation. Meron pang tira dito sa kape ko. Hugasan ko to din.
Thank you.
Ay, sala. Hindi tayo makaligo guys. Hugasan natin dito ito. Wala yung sink nila eh. Di ba yan? Nah.
So, and he had 64 cents. And what is the what?
Okay. Intense ba? Ay, wala. Mainit na tubig lang ito. Whole milk. Kalahati lang. Maggatas din tayo paminsan-minsan guys. Yan. Hindi ako nakaligo eh, di bale, sa ibang ano na lang. Truck stop. Meron akong magre-refill din ako ng tubig para pag nagsaing ako. Ay, mainit. Ito na lang. Tara. Alright guys. Wala, sablay. Hindi tayo nakaligo. Hanap na lang ako ng liliguan ko sa mga susunod na truck stop na paparating. Marami pa dyan. Nagre-renovate sila. Renovation. Alright. But anyway, let's roll. Ito na yung Ace manifest natin. Tapos yung passport ng Lakay Trucker. Andito na rin. Canadian passport yan. Okay. Tapos itong ano, road expenses ko. Tuyo Iste. Okay, so para sa ganun ibalik nila sa akin lahat ng mga gastos na. Okay. Now guys, tara. Choice. Choice ang Lakay Trucker guys. Hindi kaligo.
Smell of dust and gun smoke. What made you come?
Balik. Wala naman tayong katabi, sabi nga ni Mrs.
Please drive to highlighted route.
Alright guys, ito may way station. Bukas ito, hindi naman ito sasarado eh. Laging bukas. station next right open. Bukas. Baba natin to para ayan. Steer 30,000 drive. Trailer 19,800. Proceed. Okay. Hoy, natimbang na rin naman na tayo, guys. Kagahapon, di ba? Dumaan tayo dun sa kabila. Anyway, let's go, guys. Papahinga muna sila dyan. Pahinga muna sila dyan. So meron pa tayong 7 oras andun na sa Calgary, pero mga 2 oras nandito na tayo sa Kings Gate. Tatawid na tayo ngayon para dire-diretso na. Mag-drive na ako malapit sa Calgary at maghanap na lang ako ng ihintuan ko for tomorrow. Kasi ang balak ko, guys, para bukas maghahanap ako ng magpapa-change oil tayo at lube grease at magpapapalit tayo lahat ng filter. Yan. Okay, so practice. Tumawid tayo ng border from Canada to America noong Atres sa North Portal. Nagpunta ako ng Nampa, Idaho. And then nag-pick up ako ng load sa Hillsboro, Oregon. Papunta ngayon sa Calgary, Alberta. Mashed potato yung product na pinick up natin. Yun. Ito lang tayo rito sa baba. Sarado ko lang yung aking reaper. Para hindi maingay. Naka-continuous pa naman yun, guys. Okay, US Canada International Border 1 Camilyahe. Tayo rito saglit. Okay, Idaho. Eastport, Idaho. After nito tayo naman. Ayan. Kinakausap siya. May ini-explain yata sa kanya. Hindi masyadong busy ngayon dito, guys. Antayin natin ang green light bago tayo pumasok. Yun. Tanggalin na natin itong ating seatbelt. Good afternoon.
How are you today?
Good.
Where's home?
Winnipeg, Manitoba.
And when did you go south?
I went to Nampa, Idaho, and I pick up in Hillsboro, Oregon.
What day did you cross?
3. Since the 3rd.
Okay.
North Porta.
Since the 3rd of June.
Yes.
And do you have anything coming back personally? Did you buy anything?
Oh, just the food that I have.
Okay. No alcohol or tobacco?
No, ma'am.
Any breakdowns, fixes, or repairs?
No.
So where did you cross south at?
Oh, in North Portal,
Okay.
Saskatchewan. Yeah.
So that was like last Wednesday.
Yeah, and then I went to Nampa, Idaho for delivery, and then I
What
traveled.
day did you deliver?
Prince Price.
Yeah, what date did you deliver?
So 3rd, 6th,
On the 6th.
and then yeah, so I have take a reset in somewhere here in Wasco, Oregon, because the pickup is yesterday. It's Monday.
Right.
Yeah, so
So you had a reset?
yeah, I did a reset in there because in Prying in Wasco, Oregon.
So this is the same trailer that you took south?
Yes,
Okay. And I'm sorry, what is it?
that I have right now here.
Yeah. What did you pick up?
Mashed potato.
Potatoes.
Mashed potato. Yeah, from
Like boxes of mashed potatoes?
yes, yes,
Yeah. Okay. And you got them from Oregon?
yes, in Hillsboro.
Have you crossed here before?
Oh yes, ma'am. I always cross there because this is our route every time.
So when's the last time that you were through here?
Probably around 2 months ago, I guess.
Okay. So where have you been crossing otherwise?
I cross in Ambassador Bridge,
Okay.
and I cross in Emerson.
Okay.
Yeah, so when I was in British Columbia, I cross in Blaine, Washington. Yeah, those are the border that I always, but once in a while, I cross in a different border.
So is your trailer, is it completely full?
Oh yes, there's
All the way
a
up to the top?
yeah. There's a seal on it, bolt seal.
There's a seal,
Yeah.
but is it completely full?
No, it's not that too full. There's at least I think one pallet at the back, at least one pallet.
And is it all the way to the top?
Not that all the way to the top because it's gonna be too heavy. It's just above me, I guess, because it's too high. So
Okay.
from
It's not only down low.
no
It's
no
not
no.
pallets down low. Where are you taking this load to?
Calgary in Sobeys. Calgary.
Do you normally haul French fries south?
No, sometimes if we are I pick up a load from Nipawa meat
Okay.
going to Midwest. There, it's a meat.
Okay.
Once in a while, we pick up
Where do you cross with meat loads?
Emerson
Okay, they have an inspection there.
meat inspection. Yes, we
At
have a
Kevin,
meat inspection.
Okay.
Yes, we have always if meat, we always have a meat inspection in Emerson.
Okay.
Okay, so from America, and if you pick up meat from America, and then when you come to Canada,
Yeah.
there's also a meat inspection as well. You know, like
Yeah.
you import
you
the
wouldn't
meat.
come here for. There's no meat inspection here. So where do you cross if you bring meat back?
I never come here for a meat inspection.
Where do you normally cross if you bring meat back?
Well, if cause sometimes our run is from let's say I pick up in Sheboygan, Wisconsin, it goes into Milton, Ontario, and
So
then I
that's
cross
Ambassador Bridge.
Ambassador Bridge, and there's right there.
Okay. There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Yes. Grabe guys. Ang haba ng interview ni Madam sa akin Talagang duda yata si Madam, bakit ang tagal ko yata sa Amerika eh. Paano ba naman kasi sa mga nasunod sa video vlog ko guys asais ako umalis ng nagtumawid sa sa North Portal, 'di ba? Tapos nag-deliver ako sa Nampay daw ng Asais. Atres ako tumawid, Atres. Nag-deliver ako sa Nampay daw ng Asais. Nag-pick up ako kahapon. Nag-pick up tayo kahapon Lunes. Ngayon 9 na ngayon. So 6, isang linggo ako doon sa Amerika. Inabot ako ng reset. Sa mga nakasunod lang naman sa vlog ko, nakakaalam. Siguro ang dami yung tanong Ang dami yung tanong. Pero it's okay lang naman kasi kahit paano naman nasagot naman natin, na-satisfied ko naman yung mga mga katanungan niya. Na-satisfied natin si Madam. Ganun lang talaga 'yon. Kaya kapag ganyan na tinatanong kayo paulit-ulit, siguro meron na naman nangyari siguro sa tatabi lang ako dito. Kasi ang dami kasing mga nagkakahulian ngayon guys na na yung mga drugs. We're not doing that. Okay, baba lang tayo. Okay. Alright. Yes, tara. Marami kasing ano guys eh. Ito officially nasa Canada naman na Pizza 9 ngayon guys. Bukas ang delivery natin Agis. Marami kasing ano nasasakotin ng mga border na mga about drugs. May nakita na naman ako dumaan na naman sa wall ko yung Ranjit Singh ang Sikh ba ang tawag nun? Hindi ko inaano, nakita ko lang sa wall ko talaga 4.2 million Canadian dollar na drugs ang nai-transport papuntang Canada. Sa Canada hub ko, basta dumaan sa wall ko, truck driver din, kaya syempre truck driver tayo at content natin trucking eh, kaya laging ano yan, laging lalabas o dadaan sa ating wall yung ganyan, yung about trucking. Ang dami na naman kasing ano na nahuling yan drugs eh hindi, we're not transporting drugs kaya malinis tayo. Kahit na ilang oras pa niya ako interviewin dyan, kahit pabalik-balik pa yung tanong niya dyan, walang problema yan sa akin. Ayan guys, basta sagutin nyo lang ng tama. Katulad nga, nung nasa Wasco, Oregon ako, doon ako inabot nga. Sa mga nakasunod nga, inuulit ko sa vlog ko, alam nyo naman na nandun ako sa Wasco, Oregon. Inabot ako ng reset doon, 36 hours ako doon sa ano. He asked me a lot of question. Siyempre, wala tayong magagawa, nag-reset ako sa ano eh. Yes, but anyway, ito, focus na naman tayo. Alright, the lady officer asked me a lot of questions and I hope I satisfied her sa mga sagot ko sa kanya. Bakit naman hindi, release nila tayo. Meron na naman nangyari dyan, malamang guys. Ay guys, yan, tuloy-tuloy lang ako. Yan, hahanap na muna tayo ng pagparkingan natin gabi ngayon, at bukas ulit magpatuloy tayo. Yes! Let's go.
Lakai Tracker.